Hello friends, we are back with some new content in this video. Today we will count the number of squares. This is the first episode of counting shapes. We will be taking 5 problems based on this issue and we will be counting the number of squares there one by one. Before moving further, let me request you to subscribe to our channel for such content. Give us a like and share this video with others. Check the description box for more such content. Let's start the first question. Count the number of squares present in this figure. You can write your answer in the comment box till we are waiting for the answer. So, let us count the smaller squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So smaller squares is equal to 16 in number. Now let's count the middle-sized squares. This is the size. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 in the upper portion. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 9 in the middle portion. Ninth one in the middle portion rather. So up to middle it's 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So there are some other squares of the same size hidden in between. So let's see them. It is 15 and there are many more towards the right side. I think you can observe that. Now 16, 17. Okay, so it is 17. And the bigger squares, for bigger squares, let's count. 1, this is 1. Similarly, from every corner there will be 1. So 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and the single largest square. So it is 1. So we have in total 16 plus 17 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 38. So 38 squares in this figure. How many squares are there in the given figure? If you can count the proper number, you can write in the comment box. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this one, and the bigger one, 11. So there are 11 squares in total for this figure. How many squares are there in this given figure? You can write your answer in the comment box. Okay, let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's just smaller squares, 16 we are getting here. Now after 16, it is 17, 18. Okay, so these 18 squares are of same size. Now come to smaller squares. 18, after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. After 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, then 36, 37, 38, 39, and the biggest square. So we get here 40 squares. So in total we have 40 squares. Next question. Count the squares in this figure. So you can write your answer in the comment box. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 small squares. Then the bigger one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So there are in total 16 squares in this figure. Now count the number of squares given in the figure. So for that counting, you have to join all the dots first. So after joining the dots, we get a figure in this pattern. So we can count the number of smaller squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are leaving the central square as we cannot count it twice. So number of total smaller squares is 9. So in the next step, we can join these dots. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and get a square like that. So in the similar pattern, we can join the dots from all the sides. This is for one side, and for this side, and this side, we can do the same. So this, and this. Okay. Now again, this. Okay. So this, and this. So we get 4 more squares. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? In the next step, we have joined the outer dots like this. Okay, all these red lines are new additions. Okay, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 large medium-sized squares in total. In the next step, we can join these outer dots together. This one to this one, and this one to this one to this one, and these two. So we get another square, bigger square out of that. In the next step, we can join these 2 dots, this one and this one, and this one with this one, and again with this one and this one. We will be getting another square out of that joining. So we can have 1. So after joining these dots, we get a square like that. So we get 2 larger squares, one in green, another in blue. So it will be 2 larger squares. Now if we join these lines, this dot with this, like this, and then this to this, this to this, this to this, we get another square. So if we join these dots like this, Okay, we get another square. So after joining these dots, after that orange one, we get another pink square out of the joining of these dots. Okay, so we get small, medium, two more squares. So in total, we get 21 squares in this given figure. So friends, today it's up to this much from my side. We will be back soon with some new content. You can check the description box for some related content. Please keep your suggestions in the comment box. Give us like and share the video with someone who needs it. Subscribe to our channel for more such content and more educational content in future. Until then, it's bye from our side.